Xiaomi has officially entered a new era of technological self-reliance with the launch of its flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 15 Pro, marking a major milestone in the company's chip development journey. At a recent event in China, the tech giant unveiled its first smartphone, powered by the Xring 01, a custom-developed processor built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm N3E process. This chip is seen as Xiaomi's strategic move to reduce dependency on third-party chipmakers like Qualcomm and MediaTek. Echoing similar efforts from Apple and Huawei, the Xiaomi 15 Pro comes packaged in a minimalistic white box, prominently displaying the model name and the Leica logo, a continuing partnership between Xiaomi and the renowned optics company. Inside the box, Xiaomi includes all the essentials: a fast-charging power brick, a USB-C cable, and a protective case that matches the color of the phone's back panel. In terms of design, the Xiaomi 15 Pro retains the signature aesthetic of the Xiaomi 15 series. It features a sturdy metal frame paired with a slightly curved glass back, which together provide a sleek yet comfortable hand feel. The rear camera module is positioned in the upper left corner and follows what Xiaomi describes as a volcanic mouth design. Despite housing a large battery, the device remains relatively slim, at 8.9 mm thickness and 213 grams in weight. The flat edges, a design language familiar to Xiaomi users, are retained for a modern look. Along the bottom edge of the device, users will find the USB-C port, SIM tray, and a speaker grill. On the right side, the power button, colored differently for visual contrast, is placed below the volume rocker. The front of the device features a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with razor-thin bezels on all four sides, reinforcing its premium flagship status. The panel boasts a QHD resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for HDR10, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision. Xiaomi has equipped the screen with its latest M9 luminescent material, allowing it to reach a peak brightness of 3200 nits, among the highest in the industry. Additionally, a new anti-reflective coating enhances visibility under harsh lighting, ensuring a vibrant and clear viewing experience even in outdoor conditions. Xring 01, Xiaomi's bold leap into chip development. The heart of the Xiaomi 15 Pro is the Xring 01, a 10-core processor that Xiaomi designed in-house. Built using TSMC's second-generation 3nm process N3E, the chip includes two high-performance Cortex-X 925 cores clocked at 3.9 GHz, 6 Cortex-A 725 efficiency cores with clock speeds ranging from 1.9 GHz to 3.4 GHz, 2 power-saving Cortex-A 520 cores running at 1.8 GHz. Benchmark scores reflect the chip's formidable performance. On Geekbench 6, the device scored 2,982 points in single-core and 9,251 in multi-core tests. The AnTuTu benchmark also returned a stunning score of 2,569,069 points, placing the Xring 01 in direct competition with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Apple's A17 Pro. This processor supports LPDDR5T RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, USB 3.2 Gen 2, Wi-Fi 7, and includes a custom 3-core ISP image signal processor, the Xring-01 ISP-v4, capable of handling 8.7 billion pixels per second. Xiaomi continues its focus on camera quality, with a triple-lens rear system co-engineered with Leica. The setup includes a 50-megapixels main sensor 11.31-inch, 1.2 micrometers, f1.62. A 50-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixels 5x telephoto camera. All three lenses feature Leica Summilux optics, promising sharp and color-accurate images. The advanced image processor enables 8K video recording at 24 fps and 4K recording at 90 fps, rivaling some of the best camera phones on the market. Thanks to SiC battery technology, Xiaomi has managed to pack a massive 6,100 mAh battery into the 15s Pro without adding bulk. This not only surpasses the industry standard 5,000 mAh, but also ensures longer battery life for power users. The device supports 90W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and magnetic wireless charging. It also features Xiaomi's in-house Surge P3 charging chip and Surge G2 battery management system, which together optimize power delivery and prolong battery lifespan. Out of the box, the Xiaomi 15s Pro runs on HyperOS 2.0. Xiaomi's custom operating system built atop Android 15. As expected from a 2025 flagship, the phone includes a suite of AI features to enhance user experience. From smart photo enhancements to dynamic power-saving algorithms, the Xiaomi 15s Pro is not just another flagship, it represents a significant shift in Xiaomi's strategic direction. With the introduction of the Xring 01 chip, the company is making bold strides toward independence in high-end semiconductor design. Packed with cutting-edge hardware, a top-tier display, versatile Leica cameras, and long battery life, the Xiaomi 15s Pro is poised to become a serious contender in the ultra-premium smartphone segment. As the smartphone market becomes increasingly competitive, Xiaomi's move to build its own silicon could prove to be a game-changer, both in terms of performance and brand perception.